Alright, what have we got here? Is it neutral? Oh, that's nice sounding. Are we live? Yes. Alright guys, got Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. Fucking listen to it, man. Got the headlights right here. Fucking such a beautiful bike. If you see it in person with all this aluminium right here at Aprilia, Thailand. Alright. Oh, it's a nice position. Alright, they got a car park here that I can test it in. It is a bit of a car park test ride again. Alright guys, this test ride is coming to you literally from Aprilia, Thailand. It's basically just a little feel for what this bike feels like, because I'm not allowed to take it out on the road. I can do a couple loops here of the road. Alright. There's not really much I'm gonna be able to do because this thing is like literally like 175 horsepower Tuono V4 beast. I like the position though. It's like a naked and a sport bike combined. Yeah, I mean, not even gonna get into second gear. So I don't know about the modes, don't really know about anything right here. Just making sure I get the longest amount of test ride right here in the car park, guys. Clutch is nice and light. This is meant to be the bike to beat in terms of naked bikes. Yeah, that sounds like some kind of intervention. I wonder how many kilometers it's got on it. 3,000. Yeah, I mean there's different modes here, right, as well. You got ATC on. I'm sure there's some intervention there. I can feel it. Yeah, bro, I ain't gonna be able to do anything in this amount of space. By the time you start accelerating, just put it in second, see. Yeah, it's very character feeling engine. You can feel it, but man, brother, it's hardly worth the video here, guys. I'm sorry. What we got here? We got, I can see ATC on. That's obviously Aprilia traction control. Looks like it's on 2. You've got all your settings here. Yeah, well, bro, there's nothing I can do. Oh, this is kind of frustrating, I'm not gonna lie. Just been told that they don't even sell this now. They stopped selling them in Thailand. For reference here, guys, if you're watching this video and it has gone live, I don't even know if I will make it live, but if it does, there's literally about fucking 10 of these in Thailand, so that's why. And you can feel it's obviously got the character, it's got the looks. I mean, this thing in person is absolutely gorgeous. It's gonna have character and performance for days. Alright guys, it's pretty much the last loop I'm gonna bother doing because I can't do much here. I'm literally first gear the whole time. But you see this keychain right here, burn rubber. They do track days in Thailand, and you can test one of these at the track day, and I'm planning to hopefully do a track day and I'll end up getting the bike for test. Nothing I can do right here, man. Do you know what I'm saying? It's like, it's literally first gear. It feels industrial. The sound is mad. I think I can feel the traction control like instantly kicking in. It's just like need it on a long road, really. Yeah, I mean loads of character, loads of power, but need a longer road. But I'll definitely get a track ride on this thing if I can. Cab. Oh man. Maybe like yeah, I can feel it, but like gear deal because it's just can't really use it.
ตัดนะ
Need more room.
You can try it again in Iraq circuit. In yes, 29 and 30 next month.
Yeah, I like to try in the circuit. Can go through the gears. Nice feeling of character. You drive on a circuit?
Yes.
Which one? RS4?
RS4.
I don't know.
ดีครับ
Sure. Like this one. Sure.
I'm not a good rider. Just basic rider. For that one in that. No. For sure.
Good for scare yourself a little bit. And then slow down.
Very scary.
Yeah.